I just ran. Okay, I got slime. Oh, it ripped. Let's just play with this and feel it. Sorry about that. Oh, I want to take a bite of this so bad. It just looks tasty. Tastes like actual poop. How do I even know how that... It tastes like hand sanitizer, even though I don't even know what that tastes like. You know, I have a feeling that something tastes gross, and you act like it tastes like something that you never have eaten? Well, that's why I think this tastes like... What the heck was that sound? That was a good bubble. Hopefully my mom doesn't get mad at me that I'm playing with slime in my room. There's a rule in our house, no slime in our room. And all the other rules. And the other rule is can't say cuss words unless you ask permission. Like when you're talking about someone that your mom hates, or it's someone that you don't like, you can say them. But I don't like saying them. I sometimes say them when I get like really angry, but I ask my mom before I do it. Anyways, I got this plushie from the store. Oh my god. Why did I just lift that up with my toe? Hey, do you ever just feel like you want your thumb to be slime? Wait, booger. This low-key matches my bed sheets. Like, it kinda low-key does. Bloop, bloop, bloop. I just saw something. My mom's gonna see this. I'll delete it as soon as, like, yeah. So satisfying. Did you guys hear that? Oh, that smells gross. Wish you could smell this. But it smells like poop. Yeah, it smells like pee and poop. Anyways, bye.